Hi everyone, welcome to Kemart Drawing Studio. So today is a fun video because we are already on the end of the year and finally I'm going to be showing you guys my watercolor painting which I've been doing for a while in 2021. So here we go. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm really proud and happy to say that I have finished these artworks. And I hope that I can create more artworks on the next year. Anyways, I provide real-time painting tutorials of my artworks on Patreon. So if you want to take a closer look at my painting technique, you can hop on over to my Patreon site where you can take a full-length video and the reference photo that I used. For more info about it, check out the link in the description box down below. And I'm gonna say a huge thank you to my patrons over on Patreon and my subscribers here on YouTube. Anyways, if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe and also click the notification bell, and share this video with your friends. If you want to find me on other social media, you can find the link in the description below. I hope you're all having a great day, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you again soon.